Hello students, welcome back to the next session. So far we are seeing how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables, right? We have already seen two methods. One is substitution method and another one is elimination method. And today we are going to see the third method, which is cross multiplication method. Okay, what is cross multiplication method? Let me take two equations, say a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, this is a general equation. How to find out the solution for this pair of linear equation? That is, how I should find out the value of x and the value of y. That is what is our task now, and that we are going to find out through cross multiplication method. To apply cross multiplication method, there is a structure for that. You just write x, y, 1. Okay, first under that you write the coefficients of b1, c1, a1 and again b1. This is the structure, children. You have to remember this. Under that again you write the coefficients of the second equation in the order of b2, c2, a2 and b2. So it has to start with b and end with b, right? So from the first equation, you will just the coefficient in this order, b1, c1, a1 and b1. From the second equation, you will write the coefficient in the same order, b2, c2, a2 and b2. After writing this, what you will do is, you will just cross multiply where I have given the directions to you, b1 with c1, similarly b2 with c2 and c2 with a2. C2 with A1. Here when it comes to 1, A1 with B2 and A2 with B1. You will just cross multiply like this. After cross multiplying, what you will do? Again have that heading X, Y, 1. Under that you just write the difference of their product in the same order, B1 C2 minus B2 C1. So under X what we have to write? The difference of this product, B1 C2 minus B2 C1. This product has to be written first minus this product. Okay, so here B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Similarly under Y what you will write? It is C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Very good. Now under 1 what you will write? A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Very good. So now if you see this, you are getting three equalities, right? So this equal to this equal to this. Am I right? So if I take any two equations and equate, can I get the value of the unknown? Yes. Now if you see this first one, it is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This denominator is obviously some constant, s. So x divided by some constant. If you see the third expression, it is also again a constant. 1 divided by this complete expression is going to be a constant. So this fully is constant. If I equate this and this, will I get the value of x? Obviously. So this equal to this means I can just cross multiply and get the value of x. So x will be, this will go that side to the numerator. So x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Got it? Similarly, to find out the value of y, what you will do, take this equation and this equation, equate it. When you equate, y is equal to, this will go to the numerator. So y is equal to c1a2 minus c2a1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So got it? This is the formula to find out the value of x and y through cross multiplication method. Got it? You can ask me what is the logic behind this? Why we are writing like this and finding the values of x and y? The logic behind this method is ultimately elimination method, children. If we want to eliminate any one variable, what we will do usually? We will just find out the LCM of the coefficient and we'll make the coefficient with its LCM. Now here if I want to eliminate x, I have a1 here and here the coefficient is a2, right? So if I want to make it as a common coefficient, I have to multiply with its LCM. The LCM is nothing but a1 into a2. So if I want a1 a2 here, what is missing? A2. So completely I will multiply this equation with a2. Similarly here a1 is missing, so I will multiply this equation with a1. So a1 a2 will be there as your coefficient for x. When you subtract, x will get eliminated and you will get some b. So b is equal to some value you will get. If you proceed like that, your y value will be coming like this. Similarly, if you eliminate y by multiplying b2 with the first equation and b1 with the second equation, you will get a x value like this. So the logic behind the cross multiplication method is purely elimination method. If you want to just try eliminating the variables through elimination method and find out the values of x and y, definitely you will get the same value, same answer. Okay, so that is what is cross multiplication method. So remember this is your task. You have to remember this structure. Once you have remembered the structure, you can automatically fill the values and find out the difference of the product. That's it. So very simple. For this, let us see one example. Okay, so I will see one example. Meanwhile, you just remember x, y1, b1, c2, b2, c1, and c1, a2, c2, a1, a1, b2, a2, b1. This alone you just remember now. We'll go for the question. Solve 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by cross multiplication method. This is your question now. Just what is a1? 8. What is b1? 5. What is c1? Minus 9. Very good. What is a2? It is 3. b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 4. So clear with that? So let us go for our formula. X, y1. This is a structure. Under that what you will write? Under x what you will write? b1. Remember? Under x we will write b1. And b1 is nothing but 5. After that you will write c1. c1 is nothing but minus 9. After c1 what you will write? a1. So what is our a1? 8. After a1 you will write b1 again. So it has to start with 5 and end with 5. You got it? Under that we have to write the coefficients of the second equation. b2, c2, a2, again b2. See here, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 4 and a2 is 3. Similarly b2 is 2. So if you remember this, you can just fill your numbers coefficients alone in this structure. After that what we have to do? We have to just do the cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, again you will just write the answers. So 5 4s are 20. So minus 9 we have minus 20. We have to subtract this product. Minus of minus 18. 2 9s are 18. Here we have minus sign and also we have to subtract. So minus of minus 18, which is equal to, for y, under y we have minus 9 into 3, it is minus 27, and minus of minus 32. Got it? Similarly, under 1 what you will write? This product. 8 2s are 16 minus 3 5s are 15. You got it, children? How to write the product? Difference of the product you will write it. Then your next step is simplification. You just write under x it is minus 20 plus 18, it is minus 2. Similarly, under y it is minus 27 plus 32, it is nothing but 5. Very good. So under 1 what you will write? 16 minus 5, it is 1. Okay, now this complete expression is 1. Now equate this equation with this, similarly this with this, you will get the values of x and y. When I take x divided by minus 2 and y 1 by 1, I will get the x value as, just cross multiply this minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 by 1. It is nothing but minus 2. Similarly, when I equate this with this, y by 5 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 5. So hence the required solution is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. You got it, children? Is it simple? So we'll see more problems based on this. We'll take our exercise and we'll solve all the problems. Now just remember this and apply it in the formula. Okay. Thank you, children.